Hey there, book lovers. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the 5 books at Percy Jackson the Olympians English Original Novel Books, Children's English Picture Book Sets. These books are an absolute must-have for any fan of the Percy Jackson series, and let me tell you why. First of all, these books are the original English novels, so you can enjoy the story just as the author intended it. The set also includes children's English picture books, making it perfect for young readers who want to dive into the magical world of Percy Jackson. The packaging of these books is absolutely stunning, making it a great addition to any bookshelf. The size is also perfect for on-the-go reading, so you can take your favorite stories with you wherever you go. If you're a fan of adventure, mythology, and epic battles, then these books are definitely for you. The Percy Jackson series has captured the hearts of readers all over the world, and I can guarantee that you will not be disappointed. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 5 books at Percy Jackson the Olympians English Original Novel Books, Children's English Picture Book Sets. Trust me, you won't regret adding these books to your collection. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing book recommendations and reviews. Happy reading!